Hey everyone, welcome to Random Techie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we are going to install Nala on your system, an APT front-end that makes managing your packages a breeze. So what exactly is Nala? Nala is an alternative to traditional APT package manager. It provides a cleaner, more user-friendly interface with features like enhanced output formatting, progress bars, which can make your package management tasks much easier and more enjoyable. You can see in APT, it is not very much clear, it's very congested. If you do that with Nala, Nala provides a cleaner and more user-friendly interface than APT. You can see with APT, then with Nala. It also provides progress bar, Before we start, make sure your system is up to date. Open your terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Then type sudo apt update. Then hit enter. Then enter your password. Then hit enter. Then it will check for any updates. Okay, all packages are up to date. In my case, if your system shows any package to upgrade, then type sudo apt upgrade. If there are any packages that want to upgrade, it will upgrade. Next, we need to add Nala repository. In your terminal, type paste the command which I have given in description. To paste in terminal, press Ctrl-Shift-V. Then hit enter. If curl is not installed on your Linux, then you can install curl by typing sudo apt install curl. Then hit enter. It will install curl. Okay, now curl is installed. Then again type that command and hit enter. It will add repository. It will take some time. Okay, repository added. With the repository added, we can now install Nala. Simply run the following command: sudo apt update. You can see that our repository added. See. Then type sudo apt install Nala. Hit enter. Okay. This will update your package list again and then install Nala. Nala is now installed on your system. Let's take a quick look at how to use it. Instead of using sudo apt commands, you can use sudo Nala. For example, to update your package list, you would type sudo Nala update. And to install a package, you type sudo nala install and the package name. Now we'll install VLC, for example. You hit enter. You can see that going to ask your permission. Type Y to continue and hit enter. See, compatibility Nala is very good. It shows progress bar and what it's going to do, which are package it's installing. In APTs, it's not clear. Yeah, VLC is installed. You can check. See here, VLC is installed. To remove a package, you can type, for example, VLC sudo nala remove VLC. Hit enter. To last is to remove, type Y, hit enter. Then it will remove every additional package is installed and VLC also. See, now VLC is removed. In this bonus section, I will tell you some more commands that are very helpful. To see history, you can type nala history. Then it will show history what you are executed previously. Now you can type sudo nala history undo and this ID. Here side is 3. You can type 3 and hit enter. Okay, sorry, nala here. Hit enter. See, it will undo everything, whatever package it installed while installing a VLC, and everything it done with that command. It is very helpful to remove unwanted packages and residues. Now another one, we can fetch the mirrors using nala. Type sudo nala fetch, hit enter. Then it will load all the mirrors. To fetch mirrors, it takes some time. That is dependent on your internet connection. Okay, you can see it fetched all Ubuntu mirrors that are available. You can see the higher the mirror, the lower the latency. So you can select these mirrors by typing 1, 2, 3. For example, you want to select these first three mirrors. It will add to the main repository. If you want to add these 3 mirrors, you can type 1, 2, 3 and hit enter. It will ask for confirmation, type Y and hit enter. It will be adding, see, it added to sources. Then you can type sudo nala update. Okay, now it will update the mirrors which we have added. You can see here. So first time it takes time to update all these mirrors which we now added. So this also based on your internet speed, it will take time. So whenever you're using commands, just replace apt with nala, then execute the commands. You can also use basic commands like auto clean, then clean, purge, auto purge with nala also. For example, I will show you auto remove. To auto remove, sudo nala auto remove. Hit enter. Everything works. Nala is just a front end for apt, and that's it. You have successfully installed Nala on your Ubuntu system. I hope you find it as useful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.